Welcome back to my school bus conversion project. Normally when you're attaching floorboards, you would want to use tongue and groove plywood so that these line up at the same height. But right now, due to the wood shortage from the pandemic, it isn't possible to get tongue and groove plywood within 200 miles of where I am. So I'm using these biscuit joiner biscuits to lock the plywood together. So that goes into there and then into a matching slot on the other side. Arrived. This is an under-counter fridge, which may look like a standard mini fridge, but whereas most mini fridges have the coils and stuff at the back and need airflow behind them, this one has ventilation at the bottom and is designed to be installed inside a cabinet. It's also got a lock, which is great because it means that I can lock the door closed when I'm driving and I don't need to worry about the door swinging open. The thing with this fridge is that it turned out to be very hard to get. They actually stopped manufacturing it about 2 weeks before I bought it. Luckily I was able to find this one on eBay, but the reason I need this particular fridge is that most under-counter fridges that are this size are designed as beverage fridges. Now this one, on the inside, you can see it's got your typical sort of fridge layout where you can move the drawers around and adjust things. It's got doors and stuff. Most mini fridges that are designed for under-counter use that are this size are designed as beverage fridges. And that means that, for one thing, their shelves are sized to accommodate cans or bottles, and don't work very well for generic groceries. Like, I have no idea how you'd fit a cabbage in there. And the other thing is that they usually have a clear door so that you can see what's in there. And not only is this not good for efficiency, but it also means that you can't have any of these shelves in the door because it would block the view. So I'm glad that I was able to find one of these ones because it gives me as much utility as I can possibly get from a fridge in this size. So I got the third solar panel set up in this array, and I'm currently waiting for a nice clear weekend where I can hoist this up to the side. It's becoming harder and harder to work on the outside of the bus as the days get shorter, since I can only work on it after my normal work hours finish. So that will do it for this episode. See you next week.